Back up and do it again.
Has ribs going under that. Look, that.
If I have to scoot back a little further again.
Yeah, your bumper's gonna pop off.
Something's gonna mess up.
No.
Look the way it sounds already.
What? Ain't nothing different when you're pulling the trailer.
When I pull a damn trailer in my truck.
There it goes. Nice.
I'm telling you, someone will sit in the back, stand in the back of my truck and make it heavy, and boom.
There you go. That sounds like a root canal.
There it goes.
Hold on, hold on.
Why?
14-inch water main.
Damn.
Damn.
I got glue. I meant to say 8-inch.